Why learn off-road? Why do we train? It's very important. You can see videos, you can see YouTube and you can learn, but that's not how surgeons are made. Surgeons need to practice, you need to actually work with patients. Same way for off-roading. If you're going to see YouTube videos, you'll become a very good armchair off-roader. But if you want training, you got to come to us. We're going to teach you the right way to do it. We're going to walk you through obstacles. We're going to teach you the safe way to do it. And we're going to make sure that you and your vehicle come back home without a scratch, without any damage. So training is very important. It's, there's a saying, the eye cannot see what the mind does not know. So unless you get trained in the correct way, you will not be safe out there. So if you look at my students, the people who've already trained with us, now we've got more than 250 students who've trained with us in the last 4 years, and they've all come back to me and said, you know what, you've taught us not to be lazy. We do stop, we do analyze the terrain, and we do not get stuck. We do not get into trouble. In fact, we look at other people and we wonder how stupid they are and what are they doing. So don't be a fool, get trained. I've been off-roading now since 1998. That's more than 25 years. There's one thing that has been constant in these 25 years is that I never stop to learn. I'm always undergoing training courses, I'm learning myself, I'm reading up. Newer technology needs newer instruction methods, so do not stop learning. You could be the best driver in the world, but some new guy could come and teach you something new. So be open, learn and ask questions. Asking questions is very, very important. Also remember, watching videos does not make you perfect. You got to keep practicing. It's not like driving a cycle that you learn it once and you can ride it forever for life. Off-roading needs a lot of practice. You need to go and put in field time. Otherwise you will forget. And the last and major piece of advice I'm going to give you today is leave your ego at home, and if you are stuck or things are not going your way, just stop, secure your vehicle, go take a 5-minute walk, come back with a clean, fresh peace of mind, analyze again, and maybe it'll be a very simple answer to get out. Have fun out there. Thanks for watching the video, and if you guys have any comments, any questions, you can either reach out to me directly, or if not, leave a question in the comment below and I'll definitely try to answer it to you.